Welcome back, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. You're probably wondering what this is. To be fair, I am. I'm not going to lie. Well, a friend made a bet with me. We was wondering how long it would take for this to cook or bubble over with a blowtorch. Everyone knows I like a good blowtorch. He said a certain time and I said a certain time. So throughout this video we're going to do a little experiment and see how long it takes with a stop clock. Let me know what you think in the comments while we're playing the video. How long do you think it's going to take for this to blow over with a blow lamp on full pace? Full torch, full speed, whatever you want to call it. So let's find out. So this morning's been absolutely manic already. I've had to quickly clean out the van because I'm meeting Dom. I'm sure you've all met Dom before in the other videos, to get rid of some waste for a friend. I'm so kind. So it's all a bit of a rush at the minute, and on top of that I've got the boy with me, haven't we? He's a little bit camera shy, so he says. Go on, in you get. In.
Your window rain.
Yeah, in you get.
It was your bad dirty.
In you get. Climb in your seat.
Oh
What's the matter?
no! Yeah.
Oh, there's a lid in there. Dirty daddy. Good boy, let's get you strapped in then. Alright, let's get your arms in. You're pulling faces. Look at your face, you're dirty. It's because we've been rushing this morning, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm in your band.
You are.
I'm in your band.
Yeah.
I'm in your band in the morning.
Shall we show the camera?
No.
No. Okay. What he means by the fact that he's in the van, I've got a little picture of him. Do you like it?
No.
Let's go meet Uncle Dom, because he's going to be angry that we're late. So we're sat waiting for Uncle Dom, and he's late again, isn't he? Although he said to be here on time. And he's just stolen my phone to play some games. I think he might be here now actually, I can hear a car. Here he is, look. He's finally here. Let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah, that's what that little thing was.
All your followers and subscribers are just going to think I wear this one jumper.
So we ain't got a lot of room to play with. Have we? Let's go find out what we've got to get in there. It's playing.
What's that?
That's trash.
All that. Including a boiler that weighs about 3 tons.
Okay. Well, best not weigh 3 ton, because the van won't hold that.
My arm won't hold that.
Okay.
Oh, you had a hair.
This is going to be fun.
I need a hair.
I'm not sure what to expect when we try and get him to lift stuff. That's one.
One bit out of... She got told off for putting bugger on an email once.
Why?
Because it's very inappropriate.
Ready? How's it inappropriate?
What's that noise?
When I find out, I'll let you know.
Well, it's not. It's only the word buggered. It's not exactly swearing.
I'm also
Noise.
supposedly getting a ball in.
Yeah, well.
So I've got a few things to say to them on Monday. This is also the same fridge.
Oh, what about that?
You got some blue thing in your ear. Over there.
Make some noise. There's 2 more. Things I do for love. What? It's corrugated roof.
I just caught myself on some broken metal.
Not that it cares.
Uh-oh. I'm stuck.
Wait.
Not this time.
What we got there, man? Whew. So 3 amigos off to the scrapyard.
Where are we going?
I've lost my
Scrapyard.
I've lost my keys.
Scrapyard.
Scrapyard.
No, scrapyard. Scrapyard.
Yuck. I'm a river.
We've walked into a problem.
What is the point?
Gates closed.
Ooh.
Oh no!
Ach no.
Why is your
Let's go,
face so
Daddy.
blurry?
Let's go, Daddy.
Let's go. We've got to get rid of all this metal that's in the back of my van from Dom's mates. But above all, it's a nice view anyway. A nice little view. Little sugar beet.
Let's go. Let's go, Daddy. Let's go, Daddy. Let's go, Daddy.
Stop being impatient! Stop being impatient!
Let's go.
Stop being impatient!
Let's go.
Stop being impatient!
Let's go.
Stop being impatient!
Let's go. Let's go, Daddy.
Stop being impatient!
Let's go.
Cyclist!
Whoop, there it is.
At least he's on the path, not on the road. Well, we're going to have to go and find somewhere else, if there's anywhere else open, but I highly doubt there is, with it being Christmas. Because everyone's lazy and closing early and shutting and having time off. Why? It's only Christmas. Yeah.
Digger.
This one's closed too.
Big digger.
This is a big digger, mate, yeah. It's closed.
It's big digger.
Right, home it is then. Shall we go home?
No.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Well, Uncle Dom's got to go
I
out.
got plans.
I don't want to go home.
Where do you want to go?
This way.
This way?
Yes.
Okay. You gonna say bye to Uncle Dom?
No.
He's got to go.
Dom's got to go and buy your Christmas presents.
So you said bye to him. Is he going to wave? Do you think he's going to wave?
I'm so the best one. I'm so the
Put his glasses on. No, he said bye to Uncle Dom. Where do you want to go?
Airport.
Airport?
Yeah.
Why are we going to the airport?
I want to go on holiday.
We came all the way here because he wanted to see a train go past. And it was over that quickly. Wasn't it? Did you enjoy that?
Yes. I can hear another one coming.
Can you hear another one?
Yes.
Is there another one coming?
Yes.
We've driven all the way to this train track so you can see a train go past. Yeah?
What clothes? What clothes on?
Huh?
What clothes? What clothes?
Crows?
What?
Toddle talk.
Have it.
Wow.
I will do faster.
You enjoy that?
Yeah.
You happy now? Did you like it?
Let's go home now. Let's go home.
Did you like it?
Let's go home.
Turning the van around to get back over the train tracks, and guess what? Another train to please you. Another one. So now we've seen the trains, I've got the boy being happy, we're going to head home, get some dinner, and then I've got to go and see my mum. And you're going out to see Nanny, aren't you? The other Nanny. Come on then, let's go and get something to eat.
Yeah.
I've just seen something I've never seen before. Never seen it. Take a look at this. Look, look, you ready? Look at that. Steaming. Steaming, baby. I imagine it's just the water evaporating out of it, so it's drying itself out, but I've never seen that before. Never seen it. The other side of the fence is doing the same over there, look, you see? See, right over the front. That's crazy. Never seen that before. Did you enjoy helping Uncle Dom? Yeah, no. Did you not enjoy it? Did you not enjoy it?
No.
No? Why not?
I'll be at home.
Yeah?
I'll be at home.
You are at home. What are you watching? Oh. No, this is a Paw Patrol. This is Zootopia. Isn't it? Do you like that?
Yeah.
No. Why are you watching it then? Some boy you are, aren't you, kid? Hey? What are you doing? Are you happy? Are you happy, Max? Up! And say hello to everyone. And say hello. Up! Up! You say hello. Hello. Hello, boy. You. Open the teeth. So well. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Ah! Just what people want to see inside of a dog's mouth. Isn't it, Maxie? You're a good boy. Up! Oh yeah, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Up. You a good boy? Yeah, you are.
And me too.
And you too? Are you a good boy? You're not, because look at the state of this room, boy. You need to clean up.
You're a good boy.
It's what?
I'm a good boy.
Are you a good boy?
Yeah.
You can be, can't you? But not looking at the state of this. Right, back to that cooking. Let's get back to that cooking, that mince pie, yeah? Looking good. Okay, I'm just getting out of the way because it's getting really hot. That was less than a minute, guys. Less than a minute. So if you said less than a minute, well done. Lovely. Let's get a screwdriver quickly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, proper cook that is. Ooh, 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 wait. So guys, if you said less than a minute, you're a winner in my book. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video, guys.